Then crypto guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin Kusama, currently trading above $35. We're still deep in the crypto bear market, but Kusama started the year on a very bright note. In the last 1 month, Kusama is up 45.8%. But if we go on the yearly time frame, this altcoin is still down 81.4%. In this video, we're taking a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. Should we continue accumulating more Kusama right now deep in the bear market as we get ready for the next bull run, or should we wait for that one final dump to the downside? Is the dump over for Kusama? Is the bottom currently in for this altcoin? We'll also be looking at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits around $300 million. If the bottom is in for Kusama's market cap, can we rally to the $500 million level before the end of this relief rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. We're still currently having a relief rally in the altcoin market. If we go on a weekly time frame and on a monthly time frame, altcoins are still pumping to higher prices. But should we continue accumulating these altcoins down in the bear market, or should we wait for that one final dump to the downside? Because guys, if you go on a yearly time frame, Kusama is still down 81.4%. If we take a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart, Kusama is currently going to its first crypto bear market. When this altcoin was launched, it was basically up only. We saw Kusama launch in January 2020 around the $0.97. What happened after that was Kusama shot to the moon in the bull market, going up to as high as $637, more than a 65,000% pump to the upside in 468 days. A $1,000 investment in Kusama when it was launched in January of 2020 will have returned more than a $650,000 profit on your investment. That's how altcoins can pump really well to the upside. Right now, Kusama is going through its first crypto bear market. Altcoins can really dump well in the bear market. We saw them pumping really well in the bull market. And right now, in Kusama's first crypto bear market, is down 96.41%, which is expected. It doesn't mean the bottom is in for altcoins. Ethereum, the largest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, went down 94% in its first crypto bear market. But why we like altcoins is that they can recover and even go to set new all-time highs. As long-term investors, we're currently accumulating in this crypto bear market. Kusama is one of those altcoins we have in our portfolio. Yes, the bottom might not be in for Kusama. We've seen Kusama drop to as low as $22 in this bear market. But guys, when we're in the bear market, you see extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. So you don't want to go all in, even though you want to still get some for yourself. There's no guarantees that the bottom for Kusama is around that $22 region. There's always a possibility that Kusama can continue dumping to Goblin Town, maybe even dump to as low as $8.5 before the end of this bear market. But if you're dollar cost averaging, if you're not going all in, no matter how low Kusama goes, you will still have a bite of the apple. You will still have some Kusama in your portfolio getting ready for the next bull run. And guys, if we begin accumulation for Kusama, getting ready for the next bull run, if the bottom is in for Kusama already, you might see Kusama pump back to the $56 region, and you might just see us do something like this for the next 1 year. We've gone through the hardest part of the bear market, and that's the part where we'll be dumping to Goblin Town very aggressively, very quickly. Kusama did that in 554 days. Right now, I'll not be shocked to see us going through that accumulation phase. The only reason why we'll have another bull run is if we're done with accumulation. The market works in different phases. The first phase is the markdown period after the previous bull run. Everybody's high and we're going to the moon. The markdown period will flush the market and cleanse the market. After the markdown period, then we go through the accumulation period. This is where smart investors will be buying, getting ready for the next bull run. And that's why we're advocating for you to join the smart investors on this channel. Remember guys, all coins are very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. As smart investors, we want to protect ourselves from the downside risks. At the same time, we want to benefit from the pump to the upside. After accumulation is done, we're going to see Kusama go through the markup period, which will probably shoot it to new all-time highs. That's where the prices will shoot up very drastically. And when we get to the markup period at that end, a lot of smart investors that bought deep in Goblin Town right here, when we're accumulating, will have the ability to sell their Kusama when we pump above $1,000, when Kusama start approaching that $2,000 region, and then we'll go to distribution. So when smart investors that bought right here are selling at the top right here, that's what causes distribution. And after distribution occurs, just like we saw happen for Kusama, when the bull run is coming to an end, we'll have another markdown period. But for you to enjoy this whole process, for you to benefit from when Kusama will be pumping to new all-time highs, you have to take that crazy step of investing when Kusama is down in the crypto bear market. Now let's assume the bottom is in for Kusama right now and we keep pumping to higher prices. I will not expect us to just go up in a straight line. There will be some dumps along the way. There will be some resistance along the way. And if we see Kusama rally up to the $61 region in this bear market, let's expect to face some heavy resistance along that level. But guys, above the $61 region, our accumulation on this channel for Kusama will be done. All our accumulation will be done below the $61 region. If you're even buying Kusama when it's trading at $61, for it to get to the previous all-time high, Kusama will still have to pump around 862%. With all coins, you want to be very careful, guys. I repeat, the volatility happens both ways. So even though we want to profit from them pumping to the upside, we can easily see Kusama drop another 70% from where we're currently trading, which will carry the price of Kusama to around the $10 region. Since when Kusama ended its bull run in 2021, all the pumps we have seen has just resulted in a lower high. This pump here was a 242% pump that ended in November 2021. We couldn't set new all-time highs. We saw another pump in February 2022. Kusama went up 96%. We couldn't set new all-time highs. That was a lower high. We continued dumping to Goblin Town. We even saw another pump in July of 2022, but this time it was just a 64% pump to the upside. Right now in this relief rally, Kusama has rallied up more than 70%. So if we start dumping to Goblin Town just like we have done in the past, it should not come as a surprise to you. But at the same time, I believe 2023 will be the great year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at some details about Kusama, in the last 1 year, it has gone from as high as $200 to as low as $21. With a market cap of $300 million, Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $342 million. Its circulating supply of 8.4 million coins. Kusama has a total supply of 9.6 million coins, currently ranked 126 on CoinMarketCap. More than 263,000 people have Kusama on their watch list. If you want to get some Kusama for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Kusama on Binance, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, Kusama is going through its first crypto bear market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and rightfully so, it's dumping to Goblin Town. We have seen Kusama outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bull market. Against Bitcoin, Kusama went up over 12,000%, which meant one Bitcoin invested in Kusama would have returned more than 126 Bitcoins by the end of Kusama bull run against Bitcoin. Right now, Kusama is dumping to Goblin Town. We have seen it lose 90% of its value against Bitcoin, and it doesn't mean the bottom is in for Kusama against Bitcoin. It can continue dumping to Goblin Town. Remember, guys, we saw these altcoins pumping to the moon in the bull market. Nobody had any complaints about them pumping to higher prices. Right now, they're dumping to Goblin Town, rightfully so that we can get ready for another bull run. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum, it's a tale of two different stories. The first portion, we're pumping to new all-time highs. Everything was dandy. Kusama outperformed Ethereum by over 7,000%. Right now, we're going through the bear phase of that story where Kusama has lost 94% of its value against Ethereum. But accumulation still continues in the bear market. Long-term investors are still getting ready for the next bull run. And if you want to join them, you want to keep accumulating deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap currently at $300 million, we've seen the market cap drop to as low as $181 million in this bear market. The real value we're currently having in the cryptocurrency market might see Kusama's market cap rally back to the $500 million region. Best case scenario, we'll see Kusama's market cap head to that $1 billion region. But as we continue accumulating Kusama, getting ready for the next bull run, let's know that it's a possibility. Kusama might come back to test this $181 million region on its market cap chart, or maybe, just maybe, even set new lows, getting back to the $100 million region, which will mean Kusama from its all-time high around the $5.2 billion region would have been officially down 97.98% which is still somehow normal for all coins. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you still buying more Kusama right now deep in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? How high do you see Kusama going by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.